there, boys and girls. How's everybody doing? Hope you're staying safe and weathering out this crazy global pandemic. We're doing okay here in Myrtle Beach. My wife and I are largely staying home, occasionally braving the grocery store or the pharmacy, but otherwise she's working from home, and you know, I'm riding my motorcycle basically. So it is Saturday, April 4th. I've had a lot of trouble with dates lately. I think it is April 4th actually. And yeah, at least another month of this stay at home, and I'm thinking like 2 months really, but we'll see when that starts easing off. Our federal response has been appalling, in my opinion, but we'll see about what happens there. Anyway, I got a couple developments. I got the slightly larger generic windshield arrived. That's what's in that box. And also just now, motorcycle pants arrived, and those were very affordable, less than $50 motorcycle pants from Amazon. So I'm going to go change into those in the storage unit. Today's a beautiful day. Gosh, we've had great weather for a few days here, mid-70s. So it's actually a perfect day to test those pants out because it's not extreme. It's not too hot or too cold. So if the pants aren't any good in this weather, I don't know what weather they would be good in. So we'll give that a try. And then I had this total screw up with windshields. I thought I'd ordered one, and then I was waiting and waiting and waiting and writing videos about where the hell is my windshield. And then I went looking online and I tried to figure out, did I order one or not? And I was, of course, looking at Amazon and Revzilla and J&P. I couldn't find an order for a windshield anywhere. So I figured, well, you must not have ordered one. So then I ordered an inexpensive one from Amazon. That's the one that's on the Suzuki now. I kind of like it, but it did occur to me that it could benefit from being just a little bit bigger. And they do have one size bigger here for, you know, like I say, it's $39 plus tax. So you can't beat that. So I ordered that. And then meanwhile, this other company, I get an email, oh, we're shipping the windshield you ordered. And I'm writing back, I didn't order a windshield from you. And they wrote back, yes, you did. So I've gone from no windshields to 3 windshields. The first 2 were, like I say, under $50 each. This last one is $140. If this new one comes in, and if it's the, you know, actual Suzuki Boulevard windshield, it'll be much bigger than these. It'll have the Boulevard badging, chrome badging on it. I don't know. I might keep all 3. I have no idea. But anyway, I'm going to pop this one on the bike, change into these pants, and let's go for a little bit of a ride. So yeah, check these out. These are called Hawk motorcycle pants. I got the size 34 to 36. Look at these things. They have vents, they've got pockets, they're a perfect fit, they're expandable, adjustable. They have some elastic at the waist. You can adjust them over your boots. They've got good padding here. They've got nice padding at the hips. And they fit perfectly. And they cost $50. Holy crap. HWK motorcycle pants from Amazon. $50. Holy crap. They're excellent. And I bought that discontinued pair of Climbs, size 34, and they were cutting me in 2, and they were size 34. Crazy. So it's just amazing what you can find. So let's get on to the windshield. So this could not be simpler. The new windshield that's slightly bigger uses exactly the same mounts as the older, smaller windshield. So all I had to do was unscrew these 2 bolts, remove this slightly smaller windshield, and then put the slightly bigger one on. If this guy works, then this Boulevard one that's coming, that's $140, it probably just goes back. And I say, look, you know, it took you 3 months to get it to me. I don't anticipate a huge problem with that, but we'll see. You never know with some of these Chinese guys. They sometimes they can be real, honestly, they can be real pricks sometimes. I'm fighting with one now. But anyway, let's give this a try. So what do you think? I think it looks great, the windshield. I just started by sort of following the angle of the forks. I can play with that. But you know, I like the smaller ones. So this one, but I could use a little more. So this could be just the ticket. So look at me. I got all my vents. I'm all Mr. Textile. I'm well protected. I got my Apex tactical sunglasses that are photochromatic. I'm going gauntless gloves, even though it's a little bit on the hot side, just to keep from getting stripes of sunburn on my wrists. Man, I am ready to ride this bike through a wall of fire. Should we go find a wall of fire somewhere? Maybe not. So, I've even got the GoPro on the back. I just am having terrible troubles mounting that thing. I don't even know what the hell it's pointing at. But we'll see. Let's turn this on. Give me some power. No thank you, YouTube. Strangely enough, I'd rather watch YouTube for free than pay for it. It's kind of how I feel about the Weather Channel. Thank you, IBM, for buying that and trying to get me to pay for that. Ooh. I have vents and textile and I'm protected. Ooh, these are nice and breezy too. I think they're because they're a little short actually. They should be a little bit longer to cover my boots. So maybe there's something I can do about that. But for right now, let's get on the highway. So yeah, the windshield's an improvement, and the pants are a success. You know, I was this says 66 degrees, which means, you know, you're looking at about 56 degrees on the motorcycle. Look at this. What the hell are you doing? Let's turn that off. I just can't tighten this enough to get it to not do that. It's very frustrating. Very frustrating indeed. I mean, I can't crank this thing any tighter. Oh well, let's try to synchronize them one more time. Alright, so those should be more or less synchronized. It is recording back there. I don't know what good this angle does anybody. But anyway, let's forget about the freaking cameras and go for a ride. Fix that. Meant to fix his vent.
Just want to close it. I don't know why it's giving me so much trouble. It's never given me trouble before. There we go. So, whoops. GoPro is gone. It broke. Oh my God, the plastic broke. Oh well. So much for creative cinematography. I won't be replacing the GoPro soon. It's not a good time to shell out that kind of money, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the ride.